Hello everyone, I'm delighted to be here with you all today. We are the students of Tata Department of Food Technology PVP SNDT. As a part of our session, we'll be interacting with our department students who had got an incredible opportunity to complete their international internships. My name is Roshni and I'm a second year diploma student as well. Can you believe getting an internship that also international is possible at diploma level? Yes, it is. Let's keep this session interactive and open, and I'm looking forward to hear your stories and insights as well. Could you brief us about yourself?
Hi, I'm Sejal Chaudhary. I'm 23-year-old food technology graduate with a strong passion for food and innovation. My journey towards food was purely based on curiosity on how to improve food for its quality and safety to its shelf life. I recently got an opportunity from the college for an international internship at Papa John's, which is a US based company, where I got to apply my knowledge on the real world settings. And I'm proud to say that my one of my article was published in IBNMI magazine, and my industry based projects were like in edible plastic, and I also have done a shelf like extension of banana chips fried in coconut oil. So I'm always looking for an opportunity to learn and contribute towards the future of the food. So thank you.
Hello, myself Siddhi Vishan Magdum. I am a student of this college only. I have pursued diploma in food technology from PVP SNDT, and I have also got an opportunity to work with an international company which was Yum Brands and US based. So it was an incredible opportunity actually. I must say, and I got to learn about new culture, new techniques, and the colleagues of my team were very friendly and very comfortable feel comfortable feeling for people, which was very good actually, because we were the first batch from diploma who got an international opportunity. So yeah, and my I have also completed my thesis with healthy gummies. So I like to play with food, basically with analysis theme. And I like the chemistry part of the food industry. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Janvi Kapadia, and I'm also a diploma student from here itself. And I also be and Siddhi working together with Yum Brands, which I like the ability of Yum Brands of adapting the local taste and also maintaining their brand reputations. And it was really nice, and I also got an insight of how they work with food and how they maintain their food safety and the constituent reputation that they have to keep of all the sub brands that they own. And I also completed my thesis on beverages, ready to drink beverages with Gond Katira.
Thank you. So, how did you got to know about food technology and why did you choose it as your career?
I think it was a pure nature of curiosity. I was always very curious about the food we eat and the science behind it. Like, how does a bag of chips get stays crunchy, or how does a bread rise like it does, or what is the principle behind fermentation, preservation, and how does food is kept or maintained or produced in a large scale. So this was the question which was making me curious throughout. So I did some research about it, and I found out that this field is specifically related to food technology, and one of my relatives were also in this field. So I can say that it was a pure nature of curiosity that turned into my career. And I think that food technology field has a huge impact in on people's life. It's just not about producing new products and launching in the market and customers liking it. It's about ensuring food safety. It's about maintaining and improving nutrition, and then it's about the main purpose is to feed the growing population which arises. So it was quite a tangible difference, and I wanted something that blends with my love of food and my interest towards science. So I think it was the right choice for me, so I choose this path.
Okay, that's very nice. Can you brief us about your internship and your role in it?
And so during our internship, our role was food safety assistant. So we basically had to food safety specifications and to upload them into their site. And our experience in this internship was really nice. We learned a lot about food safety and their specifications, not only in India based but also American based, how their food safety works and their standards work and how their standards are supposed to be in limits and everything. So it was nice.
That's incredible. I want to know, how did you got selected for this internship?
So, for the internship, we actually got the opportunity from Vaishali ma'am, first of all. Then we have scheduled our meetings with four different interviewers, like four different members of head of departments had been conducted our interviews 4 days that were actually like half an hour or 1 hour interview type, and after that one or two in within 1 or 2 days we got our results, and yeah, we were almost four members from which we three of got selected for the internship, and we were excited for that.
It's very nice. Your hard work really paid off. I want to know, how was your company and how were the people over there?
So the company was really big, and of course they had a five sub what do we say, restaurants, which is Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and
Yes.
Habit Burger, KFC. So Habit Burger is still not here, but the other fours are still here and they are working on hard scale. And the people there were really nice. They taught us the whole procedure, everything, and they made us feel really comfortable. And they were really cooperative. We had meeting schedules every day, and we used to talk on daily basis and do work. So it was nice.
It's very nice. I want to ask that, how much was your stipend and was it really beyond your expectations?
Yeah, it was beyond our expectation. Our stipend was 15,000, and it was a beyond expectation because we are diploma student and we are still learning. And upon that, after that, we have got an international internship. After that, we got a stipend of this much, like 15,000 is a great opportunity. So we had worked hard, and I must say that they were always been in touch with us, like we are we having any doubts, are we facing any problems, completing task and everything. They used to make us feel comfortable with the task. Thank you.
That's very nice. I want to know, what challenges did you face in your journey and how did you overcome it?
I can say the challenges were, the first challenge what I faced was time. Time management was something which I wanted to cope up with, like the constant internship, then projects, then coming for the academic classes, and so it was basically a little tough to manage time. But it also taught me how to be punctual or how to prioritize things on urgent basis. And the second thing what I experienced was the adaptability adaptability. So like to adapt on the new environment of a place where you have not never been there. So that was one. And also the uh, what we learn in college is good for the basic purpose, but applying it in the industry level is something quite different from studying in a classroom. So it was the challenge. But I constantly opened my mind for learning, and I practiced everything what I can do from my side. So yeah, it was easy once I cope up with it.
It's very nice. I want to know that during your internship, you all both visited Delhi, right? So can you share your experience? What new experience did you get there?
Sure. Like we visited Delhi for the uh, upcoming projects discussion, and we visited as a US brand colleagues. So it was good experience, and we met person behind the work who are there. We also visited the industry, the companies, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell over there. We tested the pizzas, and we also shared our reviews over the pizzas, and yeah, they made us feel very comfortable over there.
Yeah.
They were very welcoming. They also gave us very welcoming gifts like mugs, lots of stuff, and we also ate. We did shopping.
Hmm.
It was a really fun experience with them.
Yeah, we met our co-head like Sabrina ma'am, and there were almost two, three more heads over there. Was from Italy also. So we had a chance to meet different people, different cultures. We learned so many things throughout our internship.
You do really had a great experience there. That's very nice. I want to ask you all that in what aspects of your journey this internships have helped you all.
So, of course, there was a very practical learning in the for the real world settings, and I got to learn a lot about data analysis because my work was completely online. So it sharpened my communication skill as well as my computer skills. And I got to learn about the various softwares that they use, food softwares basically, to do the compliance, to make some specification, SCRs. So it was completely new and it was a good way of learning new things. So it really helped me to sharpen my skills.
It's really nice. Uh, what was the first thing going in your mind when you got to know that you have got selected for an international internship? That because you were the first one
Yeah.
diploma.
We were we were very excited but also very nervous on how we were going to communicate, and the first question that came to our mind, are we going to able to understand their English, because it's really they have in different slangs and accent, but they were very comfortable. They tried very best that we understood them, and also we had a lot of communications and we also met, so it was really nice, and yeah, it was quite
Yeah.
a journey.
Yeah, and our head was also a very friendly person. She used to get us into every meeting, possible meeting she had to, like the QS meetings. The one meeting was like global meeting where almost 200 people were joining in the meeting, and there we have to speak and we have to communicate, which helped our confidence growing, which was very great for her, and she helped us very much in our internship.
Very nice. I want to know you have any life saving suggestions? You all have any life saving suggestions for your juniors?
I would say that always be open for learning. Never get scared of trying new things or if something new is coming to you. So don't get disappointed or sad over it. And I would say that participate in everything you can. It doesn't matter if you are good at it or bad at it, just participate in it. And you just be like a sponge and absorb everything you can.
Very nice. What were the new learnings or technical skills you learned during your this new journey?
So the technical skills were, of course, my computer skills and communication skills, and trying to adapt their language and their accent, and trying to understand everything they say, and lots of other skills like food specifications and time management. Yeah, of course. We also like conducted a meeting at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so it was quite a journey, and we learned a lot.
That's very nice. I want to know how was your college journey? Was it really fruitful? And did you really enjoy it?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. My college journey was very fruitful, I must say. My classmates and teachers were very good, and we had done lot of musty type, like really crazy things. One of the crazy thing was Foodopia. You must know that.
Yes.
The Foodopia event was very much hectic and very much nice. Like we enjoyed it a lot. We got pulled off in everything like decorations, event management, our recipes. We have to handle our stalls. We have to see. We were inviting invitees also, like everything. So that was a event where we know that yeah, our class is something which is having a unity, and my class was very helpful every time, each and every time. So yeah, I got very nice colleagues and classmates, I must say.
And also that the teachers were very cooperative while we were handling the food affair. They did not pressure us on attending the lectures. They said you just focus on what you have right now,
Oh, yes.
and then we'll see what happens next.
It's very sweet. Any sweet memory of your college that you will cherish your whole life?
I would say that all the exhibitions, all the projects, all the internships and everything, we got the opportunity. So during exhibition, people from the other table also used to come and help us. It's not just only our table and our product. Our another students also used to come and enjoy everything, ask us about the questions about it.
Yeah.
So I think the exhibition part was something which was something very precious for us, and also the journey towards my. I have been here for the last 5 years, so there are often very much memories for everything like uh, my friends and everything. So yeah, it has been a fruitful trip. So,
So I'll have my memory like the exhibition part also and the traditional days. The traditional days were very fun and loving because everyone used to come and be ready, like have earrings, dress up, and sari days and all. No one used to love to have practicals, but then it used to be the practical days, and we used to complete our practical and go for the photo shoot. Photo shoot time was very, like, memorable, you can say, because everyone used to have be in the garden. We have to click the photos, and yeah, also the last day of our semester or the year is very memorable. We had our coat painting type, like we have a lab course and we have to return our, like, we were the first batch who got our messages from our teachers. Like every teacher had wrote, each and every person in a batch have wrote taken a message from a teacher, and they are very cute messages from our teachers, like very sweet. And we love that our batch was the one who loved by the teachers.
Nice. How are your teachers in your department, and can you share your experience with them? How did they guide you or help you in this journey of yours?
I would say they were fantastic. They did their job very well. I would say our HODs, Anada ma'am and Vaishali ma'am, were not just HODs, they were our mentors. They guided us in every part, in every new beginning of our life. They told us if something used to go wrong during projects or anything, they used to guide us that it's not done like this, it's done like that. So they were there for us, and other teachers were also very helpful. Used to guide us in every step. So they were doing their job well, and they're nice.
So the teachers are really very cooperative, and like they don't really pressure us about attendance. That's the main students really try to attend. Yeah, so yeah, they are really nice, supportive, and of course during our project, we were really struggling getting ideas, and it's not that they were really like you get your ideas. Even they shared their ideas, and we worked on that and got a middle way, and to have another product that the judges were impressed with. So the teachers are really cooperative and really sweet.
That's very nice. Thank you so much for your time and your knowledge. I hope you enjoy your best time in this college you have enjoyed. And thank you very much and wish you all the very best for your future. And please,
Thank you for having us here.
all the best for your future officers. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. So